Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a post in a group in the Facebook app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe, leave a comment down below. Because at 10,000 subscribers, I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First, you have to open up the Facebook app. And here it opens up in the home menu where we have some posts. From here, we just go into the top right corner, tap on the three lines, then tap on groups. And then at the top, there is a plus icon on the right side. We tap on that. And then we tap on create a post. Now we can select the group where we want to create the post in, and then proceed by writing whatever we want to communicate. Also, we can just go inside one of the groups that we are a part of, and then tap on this write something, and then create a post like this. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.